Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction. The lessons we're going to cover today are subtract numbers up to 3 digits, subtraction input-output tables up to 3 digits, complete the subtraction sentence up to 3 digits, balance subtraction equations up to 3 digits. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 3 math. Let's just start with the chapter subtraction. We're going to start with the lesson subtract numbers up to 3 digits. $877 take away 50. So start subtracting from the ones digit. These are the ones digits, tens digit, and hundreds digit. You have to do 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. And then you have to subtract a tens digit. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. And then you have 8, that is 827. The correct option is 827. Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we subtract. $872 minus 50. So start subtracting from the ones digit, that is 2 take away 0 is 2, 7 take away 5 is 2, and you need to bring 8 as it is down. So that is 822. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 822. $395 minus 77. 5 take away 7. You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you need to borrow ones from the tens digit, that makes it 15. And here you are left with 8. 15 take away 7 is 8. 8 take away 7 is 1. And then you have to bring 3 down. That makes 318. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 318. Option 2 is the correct option. (201 minus 85), which is the correct option. So you cannot subtract 1 out of 5. You need to borrow 1. Here you have already 0. You can take borrow 1 from here. That makes 10. Now you can take borrow 1 from here. Here you have 11. 11 take away 5 is 6. Very good. 9 take away 8 is 1. That is 116. Option 1 is the correct option. 572 minus 20, which is the correct option. That is very good. 552, it is option number 2 is the correct option. 552. Option 1 is the correct option. 929 take away 81, which is the correct option. Nine minus 1 is 8. Very good. That is 848. Option number 2 is the correct option. 997 minus 55, which is the correct option. That is 940. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtraction input output tables up to 3 digits. Let's just start with the lesson. Complete the table. The rule is you have to subtract 100. So you have two columns in the table, the input table and the input and the output. You have to subtract 100 from each input value to calculate the output value. So you have to do 768 minus 100. Just subtract the hundreds digit. 7 minus 1 is 6. The rest of digits must be same. 984 minus 100, that equals 884. 934 minus 100, that is 834. 576, 78 minus 100 is 478. Let's just start with the test questions. Complete the table. The rule is add 100. So which option is the correct option? The correct option is you have to add 100. So 100 plus 62 is 162. 209 plus 100 is 309. 752 plus 100 is 852. So option number 1 is the correct option. 162, 309 and 852. Complete the table. Add 100. The correct option is option number. You have to add 100. So which option is the correct option? That is option number 2. 908, 971 and 381. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 741. You have to add 100 to each input value to calculate the output value. So 641 plus 100 is 741. 141 plus 100 is 241. 260 plus 100 is 360. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 701, 241 and 360. Can you guys please stop your problems at your home? You guys are here to learn, not to do fightings here. Complete the sentence. You have to subtract 100. So which is the correct option? You need to subtract 100. So that is 862, 811 and 742. Option number 1 is the correct option. Complete the table. Subtract 100. Which is the correct option? That is 529, 460 and 57. Option number 3 is the correct option. Complete the table. Select one, subtract 100. So which is the correct option? That is 847, 23 and 253. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is complete the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits. Fill in the missing number. The missing number minus 826 equals 121. So 121 is the difference of two numbers. One of the number is given and the other number is missing. Missing number minus 826 is 121. So how do we find the other number? You need to add, opposite to subtraction is addition. You need to add 826 both sides. So when you add 826 both sides, the missing number is 947. So that means this number is 947. You can check by subtracting. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. The missing number minus 51 equals 513. So you need to find the number that when subtracted from 51, the difference is 513. So you can write it like this. So you have to add 51 both sides. So just add 51 both sides because opposite to subtraction is addition. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 11 minus 5 is 6, and 4, that is, oh, you have to add, sorry. You have to add 513 plus 51. 3 plus 1 is 4, 6, and 5. That is 564. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Option 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 430 minus missing number equals 288. You have to find the smaller number because you always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So here the smaller number is missing. When the smaller number is missing, you have to you have to subtract that 288 out of 430. You will get the second number. 10 minus 8 is 2, 12 minus 8 is 4, and 1. That means the second number is 142. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 142. Fill in the missing number. Now again the greater number is missing. So how do we find the smaller number? You simply have to, the greater number is missing, you have to subtract the smaller number out of the, no, you need to add the second number out of the, you need to add the difference and the given number. That is 878. The correct option is 878. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? That is 296. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. That is 998. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is balance subtraction equations up to 3 digits. Which number makes the equation true? So you have to find the number that keeps the equation balanced. So balancing equation means when you add or subtract both sides of the equation, they must be same. So start with the side where you are given both the numbers. Here you are given 806 minus 243. That is 560. Now we need to find a number that when subtracted from 371, the difference is 560. You need to add 371 both sides, so the number that keeps the equation balance is 931. Let's just start with the test question. Can you guys please stop chatting? Which number makes the equation true? You have to subtract this side first. 592 minus 391. Let's just subtract. 592 minus 391. 2 minus 1 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 3, 2, that is 201. 412 minus the missing number equals 201. So what number is subtracted from 412 so that the answer equals 201? You have to subtract 201. So that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 4 minus 2, that is 211. 412 minus 211 equals 201. So the missing number is 211. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 211. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which number makes the equation true? 453 minus 404 equals the missing number minus 360. 453 minus 404 is, so you need to borrow 1. 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 minus 0 is 4. That is 49. So 49 is equal to missing number minus 360. So just add 360 both sides, that is 409. The correct option is 409. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 409. Which number makes the equation true? 582 minus 561 is 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 221. So you need to add both sides by 292. That is 313. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 313. Which number makes the equation to 994 minus 80 equals 984 minus the missing number? 994 minus 80 is 4 minus 0 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, that is 914. So 984 minus 70 is 917. 14. The correct option is 70. 516 minus 159 equals, that is 357. Just subtract these two numbers. So that is 357 equals 384 minus the missing number. So that is 27. The correct option is 27. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we were working on is subtraction. The lessons we have covered today are subtract numbers up to 3 digits, subtract input-output tables up to 3 digits, complete the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits, and balance subtraction equations up to 3 digits. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.